Turning on the device, I immediately was able to see the pink noise on the oscilloscope screen. A quick check on the front panel of the generator showed me that I labeled the switch correctly. Then I increased the volume of the audio amplifier to see if I could hear the sound. Then I switched to white noise, and the sound immediately changed pitch, and the oscilloscope showed that other wave. Moving the knob of the potentiometer, I also verified that I could increase and decrease the level of the signal, which also resulted in a change in the volume of the sound from the amplifier, and a change in the amplitude of the wave on the oscilloscope. You can also hear the difference of the sound and of the shape of the wave on the oscilloscope when I switch between white and pink noise.